Good afternoon, teacher. Today I am going to talk about the language acquisition theories. So we have four. The first is the behavior theory, and it means that we have to give to the students a stimulus and responses, and it's related with the behavior of the students in the classroom. Also, the behavior theory was proposed by Skinner, and it means that learn language by imitate and respond to negative and positive behavior. The second one is the cognitive theory. In the cognitive theory, we have Jean Piaget, and it developed cognitive features, and before they can develop language, it means that we use our brain in order to produce the language in a society. The nativist theory, it means that naturally the people have the language acquisition. It means that when we are children, we learn. The nativist theory was proposed by Noam Chomsky, and also since children are born, they learn how to use language. And finally, we have the interactionist theory, and it was proposed by Jeremy Börner, and it means that children are born with an ability to develop language, but they require regular interaction with the environment. So this theory is very related with the social interaction. Finally, we have the language acquisition stage in children. The first is the pre-birth, and it is the preparation of the human brain for language acquisition after birth. It means that the human, since we are babies, we can hear the different sounds that we have in the environment. The second is the baby bleed, and it's the 7 months of age, and it means that they use consonants as a vowel and active ma or da. For example, ma, baba, or dada, in order to produce the language. The third is the one word, and the stage is the between the 1 to 15 years old, and children are going to acquire produce real words of their native language. For example, they can express emotions such as ua or bat, and also they can name objects. The fourth is the two-word stage, and it means that children began to recite 15 words. They began to create structures and also some structures in order to give her opinion. They will have also the telegraph stage, and they began to use verbs, nouns, adjectives, and some pronouns, but in a lower level. And finally, the after telegraphic stage, that it means that they began to use coordination in order to transmit their ideas. They can use also sentences with a lot of complex. Thank you.